In general, I tend to be rather suspicious and rather cynical with regards to bureaucracies. Bureaucracies are not necessarily known for their efficiency. And in fact, they're actually kind of penalized for being efficient. Because if they did their jobs well, they wouldn't be needed. So imagine reading in the news a piece with regards to the IRS, everyone's favorite bureaucracy. And it basically comes down to the question of how the corporations file their taxes. You see, the IRS, not wanting to waste a whole lot of time sorting through corporate tax records, has decided to make up a rule requiring the corporations to actually report any questionable or dodgy tax breaks that they may be taking advantage of. Great. Basically, telling the corporations, audit me. I dare you. First off, it smacks of a violation of the Fifth Amendment to begin with, because you're basically asking the corporations to incriminate themselves. But consider, and also, this is just a matter of the IRS's inefficiency. They don't want to go through the trouble of trying to find the people that are breaking the law. No, they want the people to confess on the front end. But it could also be another issue. Is it possible that because our tax laws are so complicated and so torturous, that it is possible that nobody really knows how the taxes need to be figured out? We spend tons and tons of money dealing with tax accountants and tax things, and hoping that we don't get audited, because of so many complexities and so many rules and regulations and twists and turns. For a private individual, it takes me a few hours to do the taxes. Imagine a major corporation, especially when you get involved into a lot of business and corporate tax breaks, along with how do you account for your income and your expenses and such like that. Is it any wonder that the IRS is trying to track down some of the dodgy tax breaks? Because the IRS themselves don't know what the rules are. Nobody knows what the rules are. And so the IRS is basically saying, we've made this system so complicated, you sort it out for us, and then we'll tell you whether or not you were right in the auditor's office. They're going to try it with corporations. How long will it be before they try it with the individual? I don't think it will fly, but it certainly is a symptom of the problem of too much government, too much bureaucracy, too many people messing with the system and trying to create the bureaucracy, and not enough people really knowing what the hell's going on.